Hey man, it is nice out here in southwest Oklahoma today. It's about 10 o'clock this morning, 70 degrees out, and we're kind of enjoying this cool front that came in last night. Man, it's starting to feel like wheat planting weather for sure. Hey, I've got this customer that's got a 1910 air drill here, and it's really windy today, and so I was going to bring this topic up since it was windy today. And what he's got is his latch for his loading auger for his 1910 cart. The latch has gotten broke and bent, and so I'm going to show you real quick what we're looking at here. So his latch has gotten broke and bent, and they've kind of been using this bolt here as a stop for that. So basically the way that works is you've got several notches up here to put that in a position where you want it whenever you're loading product onto the cart. And so my point is today with this is, in these windy conditions, man, that is really important to have that where it's actually useful like it's supposed to be, with the spring and the pin and all the components there to be able to latch that. So without having to buy this whole arm here, we're going to go ahead and try to fabricate a piece to fit that. I've kind of made a piece here with a nice bushing in there, and I've got a new pin here. Okay, so we're going to weld that up there and try to build that back and make it look sort of like what it would have came out with from the factory. And so stick with us, and we're going to get to work here and see if we can cut this piece off and weld a new piece in there. Check it out. So we made us a new piece here, okay, and we've kind of got a bolt in there right now just to kind of help us line that up. Okay, so we're gonna put that in position up here and put a good little tack on that to hold it, and then we're gonna try to modify that just a little bit to fit like it's supposed to, and pretty much make us a new latch assembly here. So we got this bracket fabricated here for this unloading auger, well, loading auger, commodity loading auger on this 1910 air drill. And so basically we just made us a bracket and got it where it would work, where it would unlock and then lock back. And man, this customer will sure appreciate this whenever he's loading this commodity cart, this 1910 air drill, and you're loading these tanks and you can't lock this big swing arm right here. This in the wind, man, this auger just kind of goes and does whatever it wants to do. And so man, I've seen lots of problems with that. Seen augers get tore up, and just remember, if you're fighting that issue, basically this comes with this arm. It's made on this arm, so you can fabricate a piece for that. You may have to get you somebody that knows how to do that or whatever, but you can fix that. And so just a quick tip to help you out along the way, and hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be seeing you soon. Got a lot of other videos on drills coming, so stay tuned. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it
we'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out. We're sitting in the sun over here, man.